Good morning, students. So in the previous classes we have completed our chapter number 9, the essentials of life, and today we have to solve the exercises of chapter number 9, that is the essential of life. So just we will start with the first exercise, that is question answer of this chapter. First question is, what are the two basic qualities that one should possess in his character? The first question is of the chapter 9 is, what are the two basic qualities that one should possess in his character? So this answer is given on bit of page number 54. So this is your first answer. The first line of this chapter. First answer is given here: patience and perseverance. Patience and perseverance are the two basic qualities that one should possess in his characters. So this is your first answer. Patience and perseverance are the two basic qualities that one should possess in his character. This is your answer number 1. Next, question number 2. List some situation in which people get irritated. So this answer is given on page 54. Page 54, third paragraph. See, it is given here. People get, instead of getting you will write get. Instead of getting you will write get. People get irritated when they have to wait at ATMs, when their computer works slowly, or while driving in traffic jam. Once again I am repeating. Third, page 54, paragraph 3rd, second line. People, instead of getting you will write get. People get irritated when they have to wait at ATMs, when the computer works slowly, or while driving in a traffic jam. So this is your answer number 2. Next, third answer. List the ways in which impatience harms us. List the ways in which impatience harms us. So this answer is given on page 54 beta and 55. So this is given at the last, see, just last part of the first page, page 54. At the page number 54, the last part, last paragraph, you will start from here. Impatience harms us in the following ways. Impatience harms us in the following ways. Impatience makes us lose our perspective and results in a misuse of spiritual power. First point. Second point, impatience generates stress which increases our blood pressure and harms the internal organ and immune system of our body. Third, impatience affects our social life too. It strains our relationship and causes discord in group situations. Next, fourth point. Impatience produces haste which result in waste. Till here, till waste, this is your answer number 3rd. 4 points you have to write, and 4th point till you will write till waste. You will write 4th point from here. Impatience produces haste which result in waste. This is your answer number 3rd. Next we will see our answer number 4th. What do you learn from the story A Tale of a Teacup? Once again I am repeating the question. What do you understand? What do you learn from the story A Tale of a Teacup? So this answer is given on page 56 and 57. So first of all you will write the moral of the story. This answer also you have to write in points. The first point you will write: patience and tolerance help to win best in life. Patience and tolerance helps to win the best in life. First point. Second point, we must fight every difficulty that comes our way and work hard to overcome it. That is our second point. First point is the moral of the story, that is patience and tolerance help to win the best in life. Second point is we must fight every difficulty that comes our way and work hard to overcome it. That is second point. Third point, we must allow frustration to dominate our patience. We must not allow frustration to dominate our patience. Third point. 3 points are there. Once again I am repeating. First point is the moral of the story. Patience and tolerance help to win the best in life. Second point is given in the first paragraph. We must fight every difficulty that comes our way and work hard to overcome it. Third point is given in the second paragraph. We must not allow frustration to dominate our patience. Then change the paragraph, and last, think and act, only 1 point you have to write. Think and act, last only 1 point you will write. Patience and perseverance are the key to success, so cultivate these qualities within yourself. These are the 4 points you have to write in answer number 4th. 4 points you have to write in the answer number 4th. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. By being patient, spelling you correct this. It is not, E is not at the last, so you will just correct the spelling. By being patient, we sustain our energy to make good things happen. By being patient, we sustain our energy to make good things happen. This is your first answer. Second, time definitely matters in our life and it is not always favorable. Second point is, second answer is time. Third, patience empowers us. Patience empowers us at all levels. This is third point. Fourth point, we must fight every difficulty. Fourth answer is difficulty. We must fight every difficulties that comes our way and work hard to overcome it. Fifth, we must not allow frustration. We must not allow frustration, frustration, frustration. We must not allow frustration to dominate our patience. We must not allow frustration to dominate our patience. Third, yes or no. Third exercise, yes or no. Patience is an essential virtue which must be cultivated by every individual. So answer of this is beta yes. We must always allow patience to grow within ourselves. Next, impatient people utilize their time by acting instead of dreaming. So that is answer no beta. Impatient people do not utilize their time by acting instead of dreaming. Third, we must not lose hope. Yes beta, we must not lose the hope. Next, the course of life is easy. No, the courses of life is not really easy. The course of life is difficult. God the Almighty is our real mentor. Fifth answer. So yes, the God the Almighty is our real mentor. Okay. So my dear students, here this, if you want to write, you can just stop the video and take a screenshot. So here your chapter number 9 is completed, and your till chapter number 9, this is your second term periodic portion. Second periodic portion is your chapter number 9. Till chapter number 9, you have to learn for the second periodic exam. Till 6th chapter, it came in the first term. Chapter number 7, chapter number 8 and chapter 9 number 9 will come in your second periodic exam. So this chapter 9 till 9 chapter, this is your portion for the second periodic exam. So you have to prepare for the second periodic exam coming very soon. Okay my dear students? Okay, thank you.